Are you new to penetration testing? Want to get started in the world of ethical hacking, or as I like to call it, legally sanctioned mischief? In this video, I'm going to show you the only 3 tools you need to get started. The first, a Linux attack box or a Linux OS VPS instance. But did you know there are some Linux distributions specifically made for security specialists, ethical hackers, and penetration testers? Kali Linux is like the Batman of the Linux world.
I'm Batman.
Designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. And it's funded by Offensive Security, making it the billionaire playboy of hacking tools. Kali Linux has approximately 600 penetration testing programs, including Armitage, Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, John the Ripper, and many more. Not a fan of the great Kali? Try my personal favorite, Parrot OS. With over 600 plus pre-installed pen testing programs and the addition of some cool anonymous browsing programs, if you like an OS that makes you feel like Morpheus connecting to the Matrix, then Parrot is for you. Just don't go offering anyone a red or blue pill, unless it's an update package. Many penetration testers don't want to use their personal IP to perform tests. The last thing you want is your internet provider disabling your access because they think you're causing trouble on the internet. Did you know you can set up your own virtual Linux distribution in the cloud? Yep, that's right. You can penetration test your own network and any other network you have permission to test using a VPS plan by Hostinger. Hostinger offers cloud-based virtual Linux instances from only $4.99 per month. That means you can run your attack boxes outside of your own personal network, have your own dedicated IP address to test with, and even have secure shell access to that box for the price of a cup of coffee. With Kali Linux and Debian as pre-configured Linux templates, you can have your attack box or even your own jump host in literally a few minutes. To learn more, visit the link in the description. The Swiss Army knife of any hacker is Nmap, or Network Map. Nmap allows you to quickly scan IP addresses and look for open ports such as FTP, SSH or remote desktop ports, and many more. It also lets you run a scan with pre-configured scripts to scan for port vulnerabilities and other weaknesses. Our final tool to complete our top 3 is less of a tool and more of a database. ExploitDB houses a massive amount of tested exploits and proof of concepts across a wide range of applications, ranging from Windows operating system exploits to exploits of software and even accounting programs. Although the database is available at its website, it's also available as a tool on Linux called ExploitDB, where hackers can literally search for an exploit or searchsploit. And there you have it, the only 3 tools you need to get started as an ethical hacker, or an unethical hacker. Whatever, I don't condone it, but who am I? I'm not your father, you can do whatever you like.